Welcome back. As a result of the Cortalim debacle, Congress party might take stern action against desk in charge of Goa, Jagmeet Singh Brar, for not fielding a dummy candidate when Raymond Issa filed his nomination. Party High Command has reached a conclusion that desk in charge should have tied all the loose ends while monitoring the entire poll process for the party.
GPCC President Subhash Shirodkar and opposition leader Pratap Singh Rane have submitted their report on Cortalim by-poll debacle of the Congress party. Sources from Delhi reveal that Congress President Sonia Gandhi might act against Goa desk in charge Jagmeet Singh Brar for lapses in handling the poll process. Inquiry by the party has revealed that Congress was left faceless in Cortalim as they did not field a dummy candidate along with Raymond's main candidature. This has been seen as a serious lapse on the part of the senior party leaders in Goa. Bureau Report, Prudent Media.
If you have missed it today, you have to wait until 2117. Sky gazers were busy with viewing glasses to watch Venus slide across the sun, a rare celestial phenomenon that will not occur again for more than 100 years. However, poor weather conditions spoiled the view and the mood for some in Goa.
Sky gazers around the world held up their telescopes and viewing glasses on Wednesday to watch Venus slide across the sun. Venus is 100th of the diameter of the sun, so it's essentially just a black spot superimposed on the disk of the sun, but it moves across from one side to the other. The passage between the Earth and the Sun of the solar system's second planet was viewed only with the solar filters to avoid the risk of blindness. In Goa, it was 0% in Panji. However, it was seen 100% in Margaon for almost 15 to 20 minutes.
Venus transit नाल्यार शुक्र पारगमन म्हणतात की शुक्र संक्रमण अशें पुराय संवसारान आज दिसलां पण आज गोंयान मळबां भरिल्ल्या कारणान सगळी ढगां फूल क्लाउडी कवर जाले आनी खुबशे कडेन जशें एक्सपेक्टेड आशिल्लें तशें विनस ट्रान्सिट दिश्टी पडूं ना पण अजाप म्हणजे इतले लागीं पणजे दिश्टी पडूं ना 30 किलोमिटर अंतराचेर मडगांवां स्पश्ट खूब लोकांनी हें पळयलें.
Bureau Report, Prudent Media.
Mortuary unit at Chikli Cottage Hospital is awaiting inauguration. The 2-unit morgue was proposed by the then Health Minister Vishwajit Rane. Now, the incumbent government has to inaugurate it.
This 2-unit morgue is ready at the Chikale Cottage Hospital. This was a long-pending demand of the Murgaonkars. The unit has now been handed over to the Chikale Hospital Authority. However, it is yet to be commissioned. Dr. Vikas Kuvelkar says that the government has to inaugurate it.
Mortuary unit आमकां proposal आयिल्लें पयलींच्या गव्हर्मेंटा कडल्यान स्टार्ट करपाक आनी तें इट वॉज गोईंग ऑन प्रोसेस आनी मागीर आमी तें ह्या गव्हर्मेंट येतकर आमी तें फर्स्ट केलें आनी आतां इट इज कंप्लिटेड द इंटिग्रेटेड मॅनेजमेंट मडगांवचें एक हें आसा युनिट तांणी तें कंप्लीट करून दिल्लें आसा आमकां आनी आमकां हँड ओवर केल्लें आसा मॉर्चरी युनिट ऑन 10th of May.
कितल्यो बॉडीज बीन दवरपाचे आहा
सद्या ते दोनूच बॉडी दवरपाचे हे आसा. हांवें ऑलरेडी लेटर केला डायरेक्टराक की आतां 10 तारखेक लेटर केलां की ते हँड ओवर केल्या तेन्ना इनोग्रेशन केन्ना करपाचें तें मातशें म्हाका कळय म्हणून आनी त्या प्रमाणे आमी तें इनोग्रेशन करतले आनी इमिजिएटली विल स्टार्ट.
The morgue was proposed by the then Health Minister Vishwajit Rane. A reporter from Murgaon, Surendra Madkaikar.
Offshore wind turbine can be one of the best sources of generating energy for Goa. It was discussed at the World Environment Day celebration held in the capital city. Many prominent industries were awarded for outstanding performances. It was organized jointly by Green Triangle Society and Factories and Boilers Department.
Green Triangle Society, in association with Inspectorate of Factories and Boilers, Government of Goa, celebrated World Environment Day on Tuesday at GCCI. Factories and Boilers Minister Deepak Davlikar, Tourism Minister Dilip Parulekar, Chairman of Green Triangle Society Mangrish Pairaikar and others were present. Many prominent industries like Sesa Goa Limited, Goa Glass Fiber Limited, Zuari Industries Limited and others were awarded for outstanding performances.
Unfortunately, along with the industrialization, the number of industrial disasters and accidents have shoot up to an alarming level. This is due to the misconceptions of the corporate management who feel that planning and investing for safety and loss prevention are a drain in a financial resource, and hence the safety measures are given a low priority.
Dr. Alan Rocha, a well-known faculty member from National Institute of Technical Teachers Training and Research, spoke on renewable energy and growth potential. He highlighted that offshore wind turbines can be one of the best sources of energy for Goa.
On the offshore are much higher than the speeds onshore. Because offshore, if you see, first of all, there is no problem of obstructions, and second thing, you will have a lot of breeze coming in because the oceans are very freely they're moving.
Our senior video journalist from Panji, Tulsidas Chari.
News from sports after a short break. Stay tuned.